Those people are going through a very hard time. And I'm not sure that we see the end. Shalom Aleichem, sisters and brothers. I wanted personally to thank you for your amazing support. It's not easy. Please remember, it's true that financial support will not heal the spiritual and emotional wounds, but let's try in this wonderful week to push the wagon a bit more up the hill and to assist more families in their great need. We are commanded to be kind, to feel that someone cares about you, that someone really putting a certain effort to give you a hand and to assist you in your crisis. It's definitely something the Maker sees with a very good eye, the ones who are taking care of His children in their time of need. May the Creator see your generosity, your pure, good and amazing heart, and may He always take care of you and all your loved ones. Amen.